Welcome! If you would like to keep this workbook, you can get the ebook or the paperback edition on Amazon. The link is in the description below. Feel free to pause the video anytime if you need a little more time to read or think about a question. Let's begin. Question 11. Read the passage. Kai had always been told the forest spirit was a monster, but when he finally met her, she wept over the dying trees and begged him to stop the loggers. Kai realized the villagers had feared what they never bothered to understand. Which statement best expresses the central idea of the passage? Here are your choices. A. Loggers are the true heroes of the story. B. Fear often comes from a lack of understanding. C. Kai enjoys exploring dark forests. D. Forest spirits are dangerous to travelers. The correct answer is B. Fear often comes from a lack of understanding. The passage shows the villagers feared the spirit only because they never understood her, making the central idea about fear from misunderstanding. Question 12. Read the passage. The commander studied the map twice, then quietly ordered the troops to retreat before the ambush was sprung. His scouts had spotted movement in the eastern hills at dawn. What can the reader infer about the commander? Here are your choices. A. He is careless and unprepared. B. He wants to lose the battle. C. He is afraid of his own troops. D. He is cautious and observant. The correct answer is D. He is cautious and observant. Studying the map twice and acting on his scout's report shows the commander is cautious and observant. Question 13. Read the passage. This guide will teach new players 3 key survival skills. First, always gather wood before nightfall. Second, build a shelter near water. Third, never wander far without a torch. The author's main purpose in the passage is to... Here are your choices. A. Describe the game's beautiful graphics. B. Instruct readers on how to survive. C. Entertain readers with an exciting story. D. Persuade readers to buy the game. The correct answer is B. Instruct readers on how to survive. The numbered survival skills show the author's purpose is to instruct players. Question 14. Read the passage. Zara pressed the ancient button. Nothing happened. Then, deep beneath the temple floor, gears began to grind, and the far wall slowly slid open to reveal a hidden staircase. Which text structure does the author mainly use in the passage? Here are your choices. A. Cause and effect. B. Compare and contrast. C. Problem and solution. D. Description of a setting. The correct answer is A. Cause and effect. Pressing the button, cause, leads to the wall opening. Effect, showing a cause and effect structure. Question 15. Read the passage. The update notes explained that the new armor set reduces damage by 20%, but it also slows movement speed. Players must decide whether protection is worth the loss of quickness. What is the best summary of the passage? Here are your choices. A. The update removed all armor from the game. B. Players hate the new armor set. C. The new armor trades speed for extra protection, forcing a choice. D. The new armor makes players completely invincible. The correct answer is C. The new armor trades speed for extra protection, forcing a choice. The passage explains the armor reduces damage but slows movement, a trade-off players must weigh. Question 16. Read the passage. The narrator describes the fallen city as a graveyard of steel giants, their rusted arms reaching toward a sky that had long forgotten them. The author uses this description mainly to... Here are your choices. A. Provide exact statistics about the city. B. Give directions to the city. C. Argue that steel is a poor building material. D. Create a mournful, haunting mood. The correct answer is D. Create a mournful, haunting mood. Words like graveyard, rusted, and forgotten create a mournful, haunting mood. Question 17. Which sentence uses correct punctuation for the game announcement? Here are your choices. A. The new expansion, which launches Friday, adds 3 maps. B. The new expansion, which launches Friday, adds 3 maps. C. The new expansion, which launches Friday, adds 3 maps. D. The new expansion, which launches Friday, adds 3 maps. The correct answer is D. The new expansion, which launches Friday, adds 3 maps. The non-essential clause, which launches Friday, must be set off by commas on both sides. Question 18. Choose the sentence that uses verb tense correctly. The speaker is describing something already finished before another past event. Here are your choices. A. By the time the guild arrived, the boss already vanished. B. By the time the guild arrived, the boss has already vanished. C. By the time the guild arrived, the boss had already vanished. D. By the time the guild arrives, the boss had already vanished. The correct answer is C. By the time the guild arrived, the boss had already vanished. The past perfect, had vanished, correctly shows the boss disappeared before the past action of arriving. Question 19. Which revision correctly fixes the pronoun antecedent agreement in this sentence? Every player must remember to save their progress before the update installs. Here are your choices. A. Every player must remember to save his or her progress before the update installs. B. Every player must remember to save their progress before the update installs. C. Every player must remember to saving their progress before the update installs. D. Every player must remember to save their progress before the update installs. The correct answer is A. Every player must remember to save his or her progress before the update installs. The singular subject every player requires the singular pronoun phrase his or her for formal agreement. Question 20. Which sentence correctly combines these two ideas using a semicolon? The archer drew her bow. The dragon dove toward the castle. Here are your choices. A. The archer drew her bow. The dragon dove toward the castle. B. The archer drew her bow. The dragon dove toward the castle. C. The archer drew her bow. The dragon dove toward the castle. D. The archer drew her bow. The dragon dove toward the castle. The correct answer is B. The archer drew her bow. The dragon dove toward the castle. A semicolon correctly joins two closely related independent clauses without a conjunction. Great work! Don't forget, you can print a free, customizable certificate of completion with the student's name on it. Just tap the link in the description. To keep practicing, get the full workbook on Amazon. The ebook is perfect for quick revision, and the paperback is best for real, hands-on practice. Thanks for learning with us.